It's slowly but surely coming. One. Nope. $158,706 to Wick. Waiting for the driver and a toll. Nothing special. This could be a long wait, but there's a class 158 going from Kellock at Elsh. At the moment, should be about 2 minutes. Come on, give us a toot. Come on, I know you come from Kyle, but
give me a toot as well.
oh boo, don't like you. 158,718. Coming round to the corner shortly should be a class 158 going from Wick to Inverness this time, going the opposite way. Here it comes. Ready.
Just shout honk your horn.
No, I don't want to honk the horn. Why has it got a middle light? Didn't work. 158,722. Didn't honk the horn or wave. Evening all. It's dark, but I'm up. I'm waiting for a ScotRail from Argady to Inverness. Then about an hour and a half later there's a train going from Inverness to Tain. Don't really see the directions to see. Here it goes. We got a toot! Single one, but it's worth it. And I don't even get the number because it's too dark. So that's what's Inverness. Got a toot finally, and that's it. Coming around the corner, and slowly but surely, there's a bunny on the railway. Right.
No! Bunny move! Bunny move! Bunny move! I'm so
Coming round the bend.
I'm so glad that bunny just moved. I can see it! I'm gonna say, Honda Hawk.
No, just start waving, they'll wave back.
Okay.
Yes!
Yay!
158,703.
We got off!
Coming down the bend. You can hear it in the background. If you can't, I don't know what you're hearing, but it should be a 158 from Wick to Inverness. $158,706. One I saw yesterday. Coming round the bend should be 158 to Wick, 5 or so. Got a toot. Start waving randomly. Got train in view. One 158-707. Off to Wick. Go to the distance. Hello. We're waiting on a train just now. Argadi. It's 185. Try to get a wee toot from it. Come on, give it a wee toot. There we go. One 158-706. Another one. That's speed up to Argady, and we've roundabout got some other 1,000 minutes to go to the next one, which I'll come back for it when it arrives. The next one will be going to, I believe, Calsh. See ya. Hey, hello. Waiting for the train. Be a couple minutes. Oh, it just went straight through. Maybe.
You might not see it right now, but you can see the lights. It's so much closer than to the camera because if you zoom out, it's just far.
It should be coming around the corner.
It is coming right now.
Calsh, it's got the huge name. Says to go scroll.
Can you see it now?
Here it comes.
You guys can see it now. So
Start waving. Come on. There we go. Yes, that's a 5. Got a 5 there.
Well, the driver honked the horn, so
Yep.
that means the video is nearly done.
Well, that's one clip done. About 1,000 to go.
Yeah.
Next one will be. Hello. This is just waiting on the Wick train. Coming around the corner, we'll go sideways. Why not? Will be a ScotRail 158 Calsh to Inverness. I lied about that last clip. This is not the last one. This won't be the last one, or the one before, or the one after. I'm recording until I sleep. I don't know when this one's due about 4 minutes. The cat just stopped there. Getting our recording on that cat. It is there. Yeah, I know that's not train related, but we need to make sure this train does that cat doesn't. I thought to say the train doesn't go on the cat doesn't go on the train. I will get it when it comes around. Well, this is the second part of it, because I accidentally ended it there. Coming around is a train from Kellock to, you guessed it, Inverness, like I said before.
How you doing?
Turn on corner. Let me guess. We're going to get two at this one because I think we'll get people coming from quickly. Kellock. Two carriages. I know I will. You know, away. Now you can be quiet today. Nah. Nothing on it. 158715. Running 4 minutes late. Well, it's fine.